Hey guys, so the next method that we are going to see is the discard method. What the discard method do is this method is used to remove a specified element. Now, in a previous video, we must have seen that we ran the clear command where it discarded or removed all the elements within the set. However, discard is to remove a specified element from a set. Unlike the remove method, we will see to the remove method as well. If the element is not found in the set, no error is raised and the set remains unchanged. When you are unsure whether the element exists in the set, this method is safer alternative to the remove. Yeah, because remove will come up with an error. We'll see that in a next video as well. Yeah, so the discard method is basically used to remove any unwanted element from the set, but it will not give you an error if that particular element is not present within the set. So this method is used to remove the specified element. So let's see the syntax as well. Let me do some formatting. Yes. So it will be set dot discard, and then I have to give the element that I want to remove. Okay. So the element to be removed from the set if present. If it is not present, it will not remove any of the element, nor it will give you any error. Okay. So the method returns a new set containing elements common to all specified sets. Let's quickly run an example, a basic example on discard method, basic example on discard method. Yeah. So suppose I have this set which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am trying to discard 3 from this entire set, which is this element. I'm not specifying the index number. I'm specifying the element. Element is 3. Yeah. Suppose I have the element return as 3 like this. Yeah. Well, let me put it in quotes. Okay. And I specify yes because again, this is not in numbers. So I want to remove it. Yeah. So let's see if it removes this element and gives us a new set. Yeah. So what it has done, it has removed the specific element which I have specified in this parameter from the entire set. Now, suppose if you want to remove a set, an element which is not available in the set. So if I want to example of remove element which is not available in the set. So suppose I specify the element as 10, yeah, which is not available in the set. Usually any other method would give you an error, but this will not give you an error. It will automatically print whatever set it is, which is available. So let me run this. Even though 10 is not available within the set, it directly prints the set. It does not checks whether 10 is available or not. If the 10 was available, it would have discarded it. Yeah, but since it is not available, it will not do anything. It will just show us the existing set. Now, now we can use conditional statements as well. Yeah, you can use use conditional statement to remove element from set. Yeah. So how do we do that? I'll say I have this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to remove this 3 from the set. So I'll check if 3 in my set. So if 3 is available in my set, it will get into this statement and remove it. Or it will say else, yeah, element not found, and it will print the set once again. Yeah. So if it is found, it will remove 3. If it is not found, it will show the set again. Yeah. So since 3 is available, it has provided us with the set after removing 3. That is, it has gone into the conditional statement. But suppose if you do not have an element, if you do not have an element which was available in the set, 10. Yeah. So I say if 10 in set, then it will get into this or it will not discard. Yeah, it will say element not found in the set. So let's see what is the this element not found in the set. Since the set is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, whereas the earlier example, since 3 was available, it discarded the element and directly showed this. It didn't go into this statement. Yeah, whereas over here in this example, since 10 was not available, it printed this statement that the element is not available and printed the entire set once again. So you can use conditional statement as well to remove an element from a particular set. Now the key difference between a discard and a remove statement, which we'll see later on, is remove raises a key error. Yeah. Whereas discard will not raise any error. Let's see this. So suppose I have this example of set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this now. Yeah. So I have a set which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to discard a set using the discard method. And also what I'm doing is I am trying to remove this 10 using the or removing a particular item using the remove method. And also I'm using the discard method. So let's see what happens. You can find through discard method, I was able to get the set as the output. It does not give me any error. Whereas once it gets into this, since 10 is not found within the set, it is giving me a key error saying that this 10 is not available within the set. So this is the key difference between discard and remove. We'll check the remove method in our next video. Yeah. Hope you like this method, video and understood what discard does in sets. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment on the video if you have any suggestions, if you have more examples, if you want to add anything more to this explanation, which will help my viewers to learn or have a deep understanding about this particular method. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.